Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you the DNA damage response, DDR, is a complex network of cellular processes that detect and repair DNA damage. It is crucial for maintaining genomic stability and preventing the development of diseases, including cancer. So, before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here's some points. Breast cancer is a heterogeneous disease characterized by the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the breast tissue. Several factors, including genetic mutations, hormonal imbalances, and environmental factors, contribute to the development of breast cancer. DDR plays a significant role in breast cancer. Mutations in genes involved in DDR pathways can lead to the accumulation of DNA damage and genomic instability, which are hallmarks of cancer development. For example, mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes, which are involved in DNA repair, are strongly associated with an increased risk of developing breast and ovarian cancers. Additionally, impaired DDR can affect the response to cancer treatments. Some chemotherapy drugs and radiation therapy work by inducing DNA damage in cancer cells, relying on the DDR to trigger cell death. Cancer cells with defective DDR mechanisms may be more resistant to these treatments, leading to treatment failure. Understanding the DDR in breast cancer has led to the development of targeted therapies that exploit DNA repair vulnerabilities in cancer cells. For instance, PARP inhibitors are a class of drugs that specifically target cancer cells with BRCA mutations, as they rely heavily on alternative DNA repair mechanisms. Summarize. The DNA damage response is intricately involved in breast cancer development and treatment. Further research in this field may help identify new therapeutic targets and improve patient outcomes. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna and take care yourself and also care yours near to your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks. Bye. See you again. Love you all.